I was like, they were like, why can't you see me? That was amazing. I really felt that. Well done again, Zoe.
Exactly what Sam just said. I could tell you meant every word of that. It was really powerful and emotional and like vulnerable. It was honestly, it was lush. And the change in the melody, like in the like verses and stuff, really made it your own, and I really liked them little changes. And it's hard to sing sitting down as well. The fact that you go out there and that powerful sitting down as well, I'm amazed because I couldn't do that. And the natural breaks in the I'm not singing. Oh no's and that. Yeah, they're natural breaks in your voice. They honestly, they added so much more to the song for me. And when you brought it down like the bridge and like
it was just my body shaking a bit. Sorry,
it's alright.
I'm torn myself.
Yeah, but the little like the more like reserved side of your voice, like the quiet, no, the quieter side, the belty side, that was really lush as well. So I'd like to hear more of that as well. So well done.
Thanks, so Kelly.
That is how you sing that song. I wanted to like do a Joey and throw something like that singing. I was like, my God, that's what we've been waiting for. This is like the upgraded Natasha. Do you get what I mean? Away from all of those like pub songs, this is you at your best, at your finest. That was amazing. I could listen to you sing on for the rest of the night. Just singing like that. That was absolutely beautiful. Stripped back, putting all that passion and all that energy into it. That is where you are at your best. That is where you sit really well. And oh my God, and your eyeshadow is so beautiful. It really is. I was thinking that. Oh my God, somebody needs to show me how to do that because I just. But anyway, it was beautiful. Absolutely, by far my favourite, most standout performance that I've ever seen of yours. Amazing, really amazing.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kel. Joey.
Natasha. I mean, like we've seen you before. We've seen you twice. Have we seen you in the past? And we've had this sort of barrier thing where we've really taken you time to really process what your ability is and what you can do if you just trust yourself. And it has taken time. But oh my God, have you just come into this and you've gone, this is what I'm capable of doing. Nothing you've ever done comes close to what you've just done. And yeah, there was some breaks and that one note thing, but you kept going. To be honest, sitting down and singing that sort of song like that was going to be difficult anyway. You know, it was going to be challenging. But regardless to that, for us to see you come into this like that, I genuinely believe you've given yourself a real chance of going to the end of this, and I really believe that because of what you've just done. What you've just done there is made yourself stand out, you made yourself current, you've made yourself refreshing, you've shown off different things that you can do, which we've never heard you do with your voice. There was just, that song is one of them songs that's been overdone. And when you sent me that choice, I was like, oh my God, this is not, only because it's been done over, but you was very brave in doing it. I'm so glad that you did, because you really did take that song and you completely revamped that from anybody else I've ever heard sing it, and you made it Natasha's. And honestly, for generally, we've heard little bits of your uniqueness coming out, very rare in previous performances, but that's exactly how you need to be. Whatever you've done there, you've really found yourself, Natasha, and it's overwhelming to watch. I really, honestly, I was sat there and I was like, whoa, like she's really found what she's capable. And you've still got your power there, you've still got your belt, everything that we've seen you do before, but you've added that little bit more of what you can do, and that's completely transformed you into another person completely. Honestly, there was a few nerves tonight, but that was another level for me, and I think you should be so proud of what you've just done, because I really believe you put yourself in another league completely coming into this season, another league completely than you've ever been. That was amazing, well done.